Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class about prepositions of time.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the grammar rules. Examples. We see the grammar in sentences. Quiz. You practice what you learned. Nexo. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now, we start the theory step by step.
Great, I will listen carefully.
Basic idea. A time preposition shows when something happens. Example. The class starts at 9 o'clock. Example. We meet on Monday. The time word usually comes after the preposition. Example. She studies in the morning. Example. He sleeps at night. Use in. Use in with months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. Example. Her birthday is in April. Example. The film is in 2026. Example. Flowers grow in spring. Use in for a long time area, not one exact moment. Example. Birds sing in the morning. Example. It is cold in winter. Use on. Use on with days of the week and dates. Example. The test is on Friday. Example. The meeting is on June 1st. Use on when a day has a special name. Example. The family eats together on Christmas Day. Example. Children wear costumes on Halloween. Use at. Use at with exact clock times. Example. The bus arrives at 8 o'clock. Example. Lunch starts at 12:30. Use at with night and some short time phrases. Example. The city is quiet at night. Example. We eat soup at lunchtime. Use before and after. Use before for an earlier time. Example. She brushes her teeth before bed. Example. He washes his hands before dinner. Use after for a later time. Example. The children play after school. Example. She drinks water after exercise. Use from and to. Use from and to for the start and end of a time period. Example. The shop is open from 9 to 5. Example. The lesson is from Monday to Wednesday. Good work with the theory.
Examples will make the rules clearer.
Now, let us look at useful examples. The train leaves at 7 o'clock. The party is on Saturday. The baby sleeps in the afternoon. The shop opens at 10. School starts in September. They visit their grandmother on Sunday. The cat sleeps at night. The park is green in spring. The movie begins at 6:30. The picnic is on July 4th. He reads before breakfast. She runs after work. The library is open from 10 to 4. We swim in summer. The concert is on New Year's Day. Nice practice with the examples.
I can see the patterns now.
Now it is quiz time. Choose an option. Act. The bus arrives at 8 o'clock. Choose an option. In. My birthday is in May. Choose an option. On. The game is on Tuesday. Choose an option. At. We eat dinner at 7. Choose an option. In. Leaves fall in autumn. Choose an option. On. The class is on March 2nd. Choose an option. At. The dog sleeps at night. Choose an option. Before. She washes her face before bed. Choose an option. They play football after school. Choose an option. From 9 to 5. The office is open from 9 to 5. Choose an option. In. The festival is in summer. Choose an option. On. The parade is on Independence Day.
Good job.
You completed this grammar class.
Thank you, Emma.
See you in the next lesson.